Earn online, 5 uncommon and easy income ideas for nutritionists. 5 stepwise ideas. Here we reveal rare and easy online income ideas. Idea 1 of 5. Create and sell personalized meal plans. Step 1. Set up an online platform. Create a professional website or use a platform like Shopify to showcase your services. Ensure it includes a secure payment gateway. Step 2. Define service packages. Develop different service packages offering personalized meal plans based on factors like dietary restrictions, fitness goals, or health conditions. Step 3. Market your services. Utilize social media, health forums, and online communities to promote your personalized meal plans. Offer limited-time promotions to attract initial clients. Step 4. Collect client information. Develop a system for collecting relevant client information, such as health history, dietary preferences, and lifestyle factors. Step 5. Create customized meal plans. Utilize your nutrition expertise to create personalized meal plans tailored to each client's specific needs. Include recipes, portion sizes, and nutritional information. Step 6. Provide ongoing support. Offer follow-up consultations and support to clients, addressing questions and adjustments to their meal plans as needed. Idea 2 of 5. Online nutrition courses and workshops. Step 1. Choose course topics. Identify specific nutrition topics or themes for your courses, such as weight management, mindful eating, or nutrition for specific health conditions. Step 2. Plan course content. Outline the content for your courses, including video lectures, downloadable resources, and quizzes. Organize the material logically for effective learning. Step 3. Choose an e-learning platform. Select an e-learning platform like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera to host and sell your courses. Set prices based on the value of your content. Step 4. Create course content. Develop high-quality video lessons and supporting materials. Ensure that the content is accessible and engaging for a diverse audience. Step 5. Market your courses. Promote your nutrition courses through your website, social media, and collaborations with wellness influencers. Consider offering early bird discounts. Step 6. Engage with participants. Interact with course participants through discussion forums, Q&A sessions, and feedback surveys. Encourage them to share their progress and experiences. Idea 3 of 5. Launch a subscription-based recipe club. Step 1. Set up a membership website. Create a membership website using platforms like WordPress with membership plugins or dedicated membership platforms. Step 2. Define subscription tiers. Develop different subscription tiers offering varying levels of access to recipes, nutrition guides, and exclusive content. Set reasonable subscription fees. Step 3. Curate unique recipes. Regularly curate and share exclusive recipes that cater to different dietary preferences or health goals. Include nutritional information with each recipe. Step 4. Engage with members. Foster a sense of community among your members through discussion forums, live Q&A sessions, and member-exclusive events. Step 5. Market your recipe club. Promote your subscription-based recipe club through social media, email newsletters, and collaborations with food bloggers or influencers. Step 6. Provide value-added content. Continuously provide additional content such as cooking tutorials, nutrition webinars, or virtual cooking classes to enhance the value for your subscribers. Idea 4 of 5. Create and sell nutrition-related products. Step 1. Identify product ideas. Brainstorm and research nutrition-related products that align with your expertise. This could include a recipe ebook, pre-packaged meal kits, or custom supplements. Step 2. Develop the product. Use your nutrition knowledge to create high-quality products. If it's a recipe book, ensure it includes diverse and healthy recipes. If it's a meal kit, provide detailed instructions and fresh ingredients. Step 3. Set up an online store. Create an e-commerce website using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or a custom solution. Ensure secure payment processing and user-friendly navigation. Step 4. List and describe the product. Create product listings with detailed descriptions, images, and pricing. Clearly communicate the benefits of each product and how it aligns with a healthy lifestyle. Step 5. Market your products. Promote your nutrition-related products through social media, health and wellness blogs, and collaborations with fitness influencers or bloggers. Step 6. Provide customer support. Offer responsive customer support to address inquiries, assist with purchases, and ensure a positive buying experience. Idea 5 of 5. Host virtual nutrition retreats and challenges. Step 1. Plan the retreat or challenge. Outline the structure, content, and activities for your virtual nutrition retreat or challenge. Consider themes like detoxification, weight management, or mindful eating. Step 2. Set up registration. Create a registration process on your website or through event platforms like Eventbrite. Set reasonable fees for participation. Step 3. Prepare educational content. Develop educational content, including live webinars, video sessions, and downloadable resources. Ensure that the content aligns with the theme of the retreat or challenge. Step 4. Engage participants. Foster engagement through virtual discussions, group activities, and live Q&A sessions. Encourage participants to share their experiences and progress. Step 5. Offer incentives. Provide incentives for participants, such as exclusive access to additional content, personalized consultations, or discounts on future programs. Step 6. Market your event. Promote your virtual nutrition retreat or challenge through social media, email newsletters, and collaborations with wellness influencers. Highlight the unique aspects of your program. In the last video, I discussed income opportunities for doctors. Find the video here. Also, these tools boost your business.